For growing rose plant fast, two things plays a big role. First one is the season and the next thing is a powerful fertilizer. In this video, we are going to make the best organic fertilizer for rose plant. You can use this fertilizer as your regular rose food. It is easy to make, and apply as well. We will discuss about this organic rose fertilizer in details, so let's start. Rose plant is a heavy feeder that requires a powerful combination of nutrition in its fertilizer. In this homemade rose fertilizer, I have included all type of nutrients to fulfill rose plant's fertilizer needs. Rose plant requires a well-nutrient fertilizer to grow well. Your homemade rose fertilizer must contain these nutrients in a balanced concentration. Some most important benefits of using this organic rose fertilizer that you must consider before making it is that it provides nutrition, helps to grow more, enforces more blooms, a healthy root structure, no yellow and patchy leaves, protect from fungal growth, makes immune system stronger. So now let's know, what are the organic ingredients we are going to use for making this homemade rose food. You can buy all of these are from the description box. The first and the most important component in our rose plant fertilizer is the vermicompost. That is a very rich source of many helpful elements. It includes calcium and magnesium in larger amounts, that are majorly responsible for yellowing of leaves and black patches of rose leaves. Deficiency of these nutrients almost stops the growth of rose plant. Vermicompost also makes the soil softer for the roots of rose plant. And a healthy and stronger root structure is very important for the better absorption of nutrients. Importance of potassium is unneglectable. It promotes a healthy growth of roots and also a vibrant color of rose flower appears. The use of wood ash in our rose fertilizer is very effective for a healthy and well-growing rose plant. Wood ash powder also have antifungal effects that keeps dieback disease of rose plant away. There are so many benefits of using cow dung compost on our plants. It provides a large amount of nitrogen to the soil. And nitrogen plays a big role for growing lots of leaves and branches on the rose plant. Using cow dung compost in our homemade organic rose fertilizer makes it very ideal in nitrogen content. Cow dung compost helps to grow more leaves on the rose plant, and more branches means a bushy rose plant that ultimately have a stronger immune system and flower producing ability. With cow dung compost, the chance of yellow leaves is almost zero. Mustard cake is the rich source of nitrogen and potassium. Both of these nutrients plays a major role in rose plant's growth and blooming. Using mustard cake in our rose plant fertilizer works really well, by providing a balanced nutrition. You can use the powder form of mustard cake, as it absorbs faster and gives results faster also. Mix all of these ingredients in similar ratios and our fertilizer is ready to use. Ratios are given on the screen. Now start digging its soil mix. Let it dry. If it is wet, it will help better absorption. Mix a dose of this fertilizer. Add frequent amount of water in its soil mix. Put the plant in a sunny spot for good growth. You can use this fertilizer every 20 days, for quality results. For any question leave a comment below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. For making the best fertilizer for jasmine plant, you can check out this video.